Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones SONY XM6 available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what Sony offer for the headphones, and if we open it right here, you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application, so of course it available for Android devices. If you don't know how to add these headphones to the application, watch our video on this channel, we already have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!